Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about cos s squared plus sin s squared equals to number 1. Now we have cosine s squared in here. So I will put this one go to the right. And now I need to change this one into this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. That is about a squared minus b squared equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Now, if you look carefully about this one is about 1 square in here. 1, that's about capital A. Sin s, that is about capital B. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we need to simplify 1 plus sin s on numerator and denominator. Next, we need to multiply by 1 minus sin s on numerator and denominator. So this one, we have 1 minus sin s squared. This one, we have 1 minus sin s to the power of 2. Next, 1 minus sin s squared, that is about this one in here. So 1 minus sin s squared, we have cosine s squared. This one we need to expand. So we have 1 over cosine s squared, sin s over cosine s squared, and sin s squared over cosine s squared. Next, I will concentrate about this one only. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine s. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have negative sin s ds. Next, we need to change by u, and we have u squared. Negative sin s ds, we change by du. And now I will put number 2 in here. The integration of 1 over u squared, we have negative 1 over u. About u, that's about cosine s. So we know that this one, that is about secant of s squared. This one, that is about tan s squared. Tan s squared, that is about secant of s squared minus 1. So secant of s squared with secant of s squared, we have number 2. And now we have the final answer. The integration of secant of s squared, we have tan s. The integration of this one, that is about this one. Number 1, that is about s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.